This is the buyer problem with PLR that people really aren't talking about. PLR comes with a product, and for those of you who might be new to the game, PLR is private label rights, meaning you can buy something and then sell it as is to other people. However, PLR never solves the particular find the bankable buyer problem, which is really critical. When you buy PLR, you get a product built for like a general audience. That way, the creator, whoever wrote the PLR, can reach the maximum amount of people who can use this particular product, right? They're casting a wide net, right? So here's the thing about wide nets. They catch a lot of browsers. And we don't really want browsers, we want buyers. People who think a topic is interesting and they save the post, but they never really come back, or they might even skim your sales page or your little product description or whatever. And they're like, yeah, that's interesting. I'll get back to it when I get back to it. And what they don't catch consistently, the PLR, are the bankable buyers, the specific people who have a real urgent problem and they've already tried solutions, and there's consequences if the problem isn't solved, if nothing changes, and they're actively ready to spend money now. Even if they may not have money, they will find the money to get this problem solved. PLR was never built around specific people for obvious reasons, because if you have something, you want it to appeal to the masses, right? So that you can sell it to the maximum amount of people who can use this PLR to sell to their audiences. So it was built around a topic like, weight loss, right? Okay, that's very general. And topics, don't necessarily people don't buy topics. They solve problems. And the more urgent and specific you can share how your solution solves that particular problem, the better. So here's a quick gut check for your PLR product right now. If you're using PLR or if you're interested in getting PLR, what is the most specific, most urgent version of the person who needs this, right? And not women who want to lose weight. We don't really care about those. We want, not like we don't care about those, but that's not necessarily an urgent buyer, okay? Women whose doctor just told them that their blood pressure is so dangerously high that they're going to have to go on medication if they don't lose 5 pounds by the time they're tested in 6 weeks. See how specific that was? Get that specific. Now rewrite your hook and some of your content in your PLR to speak directly to that one person who is dealing with the heart, blood pressure. They need to get it down in the next 6 weeks or else, right? And see what happens, right? Big difference. Comment buyers and I'll send you a tool that helps you find specific urgent buyers hiding in your PLR topic. Look for real help, not hype.